we gather here in Malaysia today, okay, to transfer one thing called knowledge, to connect all the knowledge together. We have so many good people today, preciously being here. We have all of the countries that to share about the knowledge of blockchain in their country.
Is that blockchain is a very high priority for us. There's a hype and there is a vast grab of money with ICOs in some cases. But what we are looking at building here in Hong Kong is an infrastructure for new business and existing business to make sure the technology and innovations remain a key enabler for financial sector growth.
I wish to thank today to give me this opportunity to participate in building the African Blockchain Hub in collaboration with the European and Asian Blockchain Hub.